Hello guys, I will be playing 9 ball and this is my first experience of recording my screen and I'm a bit excited. Let us see how well I play this time. And yeah, I want to keep it with 2.5k coins. Let us see, who do I play with? Wow, Paolo, 216. His level is 216. My level is 71. And if I'm lucky now, I'll be beating him. I usually start shooting from this side, and sometimes I manage to finish the game by putting ball 9, but this time wasn't. Oh, what's wrong? There was nothing wrong. I guess internet connection problem. It's okay. Still I have chance to beat him, but he has also chance to finish the game now. Let us see, according to his level, he should do it. Oops. Nope. Okay, let me try to finish in my next step. Oops. It wasn't my plan. Okay, no problem. It wasn't my plan too. It's okay. Okay, keep going. Not bad. By the way, it's midnight here and I'm not focused that much and I'm a bit sleepy. It's okay. And shall I try this? I don't want to get risk this time because I have just 2 steps to beat him, so I don't want to leave it to chance. Alright, now I have to get my white ball back for my next step, so don't forget to plan your every time for your next step. So okay, that's good. Yes, this is the end of game, and as you can see, this time I won against Paolo, which is level 216. Okay, thanks for watching.